Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to autofill serial numbers in Excel. So what we are going to do here is, let's say, select A1 here and type in, for example, 1. Then the next one, A2, will be number 2. Now what we need to do, select both cells to highlight them, just like that. And now you will see here a little green square here at the bottom right corner. And if you hover over with your mouse, you will see this black cross, and just press with the left button on your mouse and drag it down to the basically uh, cell cell where you want to have it. So let's say 30, and just like that you will fill with the numbers all of these cells. Okay, so the next useful thing is also if we use sequence formula for automated lists. So if we want the numbers to update dynamically or handle massive ranges instantly, we can use this code here. Let me just copy it. I don't type in. So the sequence, then we close this with that, and I will say it 10. You can replace this number as you wish, and as you can see here, we have basically now the whole thing automated right over here. So yeah, this is basically what is going on with this Excel. So I need to delete that like that. Okay, so I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next